I am very happy today because I am at home. This is my house, the European People Party, of course. We are different. Many languages, of course, many ideas, but we are united on the values. And this is the most important content. This is the future. For this, I am optimistic. Finally, Europe will be the winner in the next years. Thank you very much.
It is now my great honor to welcome to the stage the newly re-elected President of the European Council and the former Prime Minister of Poland,